In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a USDC token voucher in the Binance iPhone app using Binance Points. Start by opening the Binance app on your iPhone and logging into your account. Make sure your app is updated and your internet connection is stable so the reward sections load correctly. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This opens the main navigation drawer where you can access different features of the app. From the menu, tap Rewards Hub. This is where Binance collects your points-based rewards and ongoing promotions. Inside Rewards Hub, select Rewards Shop. The Rewards Shop is the catalog of items you can redeem with Binance Points, including token vouchers when they're available. Now scroll through the available rewards until you find a USDC token voucher or a similar token voucher reward. Keep in mind that availability changes based on active promotions and your region, so if you don't see USDC right now, it may return later. Also, you must have enough Binance points to redeem the voucher before claiming. If you're short on points, the claim button will usually appear grayed out or unavailable. When you spot the USDC voucher you want, tap Claim or Redeem next to it. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking you to use your Binance points for this voucher. Take a moment to review the points cost and make sure it matches what you expect. When you're ready, tap Confirm. Your points will be deducted immediately and the voucher will be issued to your account. After confirming, the app will move the voucher into My Vouchers. This section keeps track of all the rewards you've claimed. Tap My Vouchers to view the newly added USDC voucher. Here you can see important details like the expiry date, which tells you how long you have to use the voucher. It's a good practice to note that date right away so you don't miss the redemption window. That's the full process. Open the Binance app and log in. Use the hamburger menu to go to Rewards Hub. Enter the Rewards Shop, find a USDC token voucher, claim or redeem it, confirm the use of your Binance points, and then check My Vouchers for the issued reward and its expiry details. Remember, you'll need enough points to proceed, and token voucher availability depends on current promotions and your region. If a specific voucher isn't visible today, check back periodically as the reward shop is updated over time.